Are you looking for a new home in Port St. Lucie? Then you're going to want to watch this video. Hi guys, Sue again. So listen, today we are going to be touring the brand new boutique community, Mosaic by Kolter Homes. Now this community only have a few more homes left, so you might want to stick around. Don't go nowhere. Mosaic's location is a major selling point. You're just minutes from I-95 and the Florida Turnpike, making both local driving and commuting a breeze. Tradition Square is a quick 15 minutes away for shopping, dining, and entertainment. If you love the water, you'll be at Jensen Beach in about 20 minutes, Stewart Beach in about 25, and you can be at Palm Beach International Airport in just 45 minutes for quick travel. When it comes to daily convenience and lifestyle, Mosaic delivers. You're just around the corner from great dining options like Kyle G's, the Magic Oyster, and the Berry Fresh Cafe. For outdoor lovers, Savannah Preserve and the Port St. Lucie Botanical Gardens are only a few minutes away. Plus, essential amenities like excellent schools, hospitals, and fitness centers are all within a 15 to 20 minute drive. But before we start the tour, I need to tell you something. Always come to us first. Never go to the builder without your sales rep, because a lot of people think that going to the realtor it costs them more money. Getting a realtor actually saves you more money, because then you have somebody that's on your side. You have a whole team that's on your side. Always, always, always come to us first. Inside Mosaic, you'll have access to resort-style community amenities, a clubhouse, a pool, and hot tub to relax by, pickleball courts, a fitness center, and scenic walking and biking trails. Many of the homes back onto tranquil lakes or preserved natural areas for added privacy and beauty. Now let's talk floor plans. The Madison model is about 2,300 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a flexible room that's perfect for a home den or office. The open concept layout features a modern kitchen flowing into a great room and covered lanai, ideal for entertaining or family time. The Riley model offers even more space at around 2,400 square feet. This one includes 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a den. This layout gives privacy to the owner's suite while opening into an inviting great room and kitchen. Now I like this because it's perfect for both living and hosting. Now if you need the most room, the Paige might be your fit. This one offers up to 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage. The open living areas are bright and welcoming, and you can customize with options like a gourmet kitchen or bonus rooms to fit your lifestyle. Julia is around 2,900 square feet, also offering 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3 baths. This plan includes a spacious great room off the kitchen and a flex room that could serve as a home office or formal dining. It offers a little more square footage for those wanting extra living space without moving up to the larger plan, Living here means that you get the best of both worlds in the Treasure Coast. Whether you like kayaking into Savannah's preserves, catching your breath at the botanical gardens, or dining with ocean views at Kyle G's, Mosaic puts you close to all of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Listen, we absolutely love helping people find their forever home here on the Treasure Coast, whether you're coming from across town or across the country. We offer in-person and virtual tours, so it don't matter where you are, we can help you find your paradise. Contact us today so we can help get you started. Bye.